afternoon to all of you, as it is 25th of August 2020, class 11th, topic causes of India's agricultural stagnation during colonial period. Dear students, previously we learned about the nature of India's agriculture on the eve of Indian independence. Today we are going to throw light on causes of India's agricultural stagnation during colonial period. As we are aware of the fact that India was ruled by the Britishers up to 15th of August 1947, the nature of agriculture was very traditional. It means that the annual production of our country was comparatively very low as compared to other developed nations of the world. There were many causes responsible for India's agricultural stagnation during that period. Some of the causes can be summarized under the following headings. Number first, there was defective land settlement system. Number second, zamindari system. Number third, lack of technology. Number fourth, lack of irrigational facilities. Number five, limited use of fertilizers. Number six, lack of pesticides. And number seven, lack of mechanical plowing. So far as defective land settlements is concerned, the settlement system was very rough, very obscure, in the sense that the land was divided into segments and it was very difficult to make use of modern means of production or mechanical use of agriculture, because the land was fragmented one. Human resources means manpower was utilized, but annual production was very negligible or very low. Second, there was zamindari system. The land was owned by the landlords called zamindars. They were giving it to the tenants for cultivation. Tenants were taking least interest, so consequently the annual production of our agriculture was very weak or low. Third, lack of technology. There were no use of modern means of production, means there was no use of mechanical production, mechanical use of agriculture. So consequently, as compared to developed nations of the world, our agriculture production was very weak or low. Lack of irrigational facilities. Adequate irrigational facilities was not provided to our land. Consequently, maximum portion of our crops were being get damaged due to lack of water. And there was limited use of fertilizers. People were ignorant, they were not well aware about the use of fertilizers, so consequently our production was very low. Lack of pesticides. Due to poor knowledge or due to ignorance, people did not know about pesticides, so large portion of our crops were damaged by insects and other harmful creatures. So consequently our production level was very low, or our annual production was comparatively very weak. Lack of mechanical plowing. Land was fragmented. There was no use of mechanical plowing. The concept of mechanism was not in India, because we were ruled by the Britishers. Britishers were only exporting spices and other raw material from our country to their country. They were making our country means economically deprived one or dependent one. So these factors were responsible, or these causes were responsible for agricultural stagnation during colonial period. And this much is enough for